Hi children, today I have come with chapter 6 integers, and we are going to study about the numbers that are supposed to be placed towards the left hand side of 0, then comes 0, and towards its right hand side the rest of the numbers which come. Now the numbers that come before 0, they are indicated with negative sign, so they are negative numbers. Then 0, then towards its right hand side are the numbers, they by default they are considered to be positive. Plus sign is not put in front of it, but they are considered to be positive. So we have three set of numbers. First one, the 0 at the mid, then towards its left hand side the numbers with negative sign, minus sign, they are called negative numbers. 0 towards its right hand side the positive numbers. This set of numbers are considered to be, or the set is considered to be integers. We have talked about natural number, which includes, it starts from 1 to endlessly many numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which are also considered as counting numbers. Then we go for whole number, where 0 is included with the natural number. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that it goes to infinitely many numbers, they are called whole numbers. Then negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers, that's what called integers. So yes, we are going to talk in details about integers. But before we move on to, before we play with the numbers or integers, we would like to clear out certain concepts. Which things we take as negative. Okay. Now growing up, going up, that's a sign of positiveness, so we consider it positive. Climbing up, climbing the stairs, climbing the then climbing a tree, that's positive. Profit, it's positive. Gain, it's positive, right? Then going down the stairs, that's negative, right? Then losing, that's negative. Then like that, the things which gives you positive vibes, they are considered to be positive, and the things which are adverse, which is not desirable to you, is considered to be negative. And when we represent these things in number form, then we put minus sign. Like if I say I went down 200 meters from the top of the hill, that means I just came down from the top of the hill 200 kilometers. Then what I am going to represent it, I am going to write positive 200 or negative 200. I am going to put minus sign in front of 200. That means I have come down. Okay. I have climbed the hill 50 kilometers. So it's going to be plus 50. Plus 50 means I have climbed. I have gained 100 rupees in this deal. That means positive 100. I have lost 30 rupees in this deal. Then I am going to put minus 30. Aeroplane is above the sea level 20 kilometers above the sea level, that's 20 plus 20. And if I say I am below the sea level 3 kilometers, that's I am going to mention it minus 3. Understood? So when you are gaining, when you are going up, when you are losing, when you are going down, if you want to represent these things in numbers, then positive and negative, both the things work. So in short, negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers together form integer. Tag me with a sign. As I was explaining you, when you are gaining something, then we take it as positive number, we take it positively, and if I am gaining rupees 5, we say plus 5. What is this? Putting plus sign or minus sign in front of the number, it's tagging. So we are going to study now tag me with a sign. Me is nothing but the number. Look at the table given over here. You can understand it in a better way. Price of different item names are given to you, and profit and loss made in each case is given to you, and how would you represent it with proper sign. Tagging the number with sign. Mustard oil, profit of 150 rupees. So how will you write? You are going to write plus 150, or if you don't put any sign, only if you write 150, then it is by default positive only. But then as we are asked to tag it, we write plus 150. Rice, loss of rupees 250. So you will write minus rupees 250. This tells you positive, negative. On tagging it, you can come to know whether it's a profit or loss. Black paper 225, profit, so plus 225. Wheat, profit of rupees 200, so plus 200. And groundnut oil, loss of 330, so we tag it minus 330. So now you have understood, when we are asked to find out selling price with the given profit, then what we do, if we want to profit, we add. Why? Because it carries positive tag. And if nobody would like to have loss, but if we want to show loss of certain amount, then we will tag that amount with minus sign, and so we subtract it from the cost price. Understood? So that is what tagging me with number. Let's see few more examples. Write the following numbers with appropriate sign. 100 meter below sea level. As I explained you earlier, when we talk about below, negativity, going down, we put minus, we tag the number with minus sign. So minus 100 meter. 25 degree above 0 degree centigrade. 0 is the base level, 0 degree centigrade के ऊपर 25 degree, so plus 25. When we say below 0 degree temperature 15 degree Celsius, then we'll tag it minus 15 degree. And any 5 numbers less than 0, that means all those numbers coming towards the left hand side of 0, and we know they are negative, so they will be tagged with minus sign. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Negative numbers. And as we proceed towards the left side, though the numbers are proceeding but their values are decreasing. मतलब मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि 0 के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से शुरू होता है -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, like that. You are progressing by one number more, but the value of -5 is smaller than -4. -4 is smaller than -3. -3 is smaller than -2. -2 is smaller than -1, and -1 is smaller than 0. Is that clear? As the number grows bigger and bigger, their value decreases. Now let's see how to represent integers on number line. Tagging of the numbers over. Now we move on to representation of integers on number line. Here you can see a number line. At equal distance the integers are plotted, right? 0 is at the center. Towards its right hand side are the positive integers, and towards the left hand side of 0 are the negative integers, and all these integers are plotted at equal distance. Is that clear? You can see as we move towards right hand side of the 0, we get positive integer in ascending order. Same way their values also ascend, and as you move towards the left hand side, the numbers go smaller and smaller, right? अब इसी को हम राइट हैंड साइड की तरफ चलते जाएंगे तो इसका वैल्यू बढ़ते जाएगा. द नंबर्स आर गोइंग टू बी बिगर 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 एंड सो ऑन लाइक दैट. सो यू शुड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर towards the right hand side of a given number you have always a bigger value number, and when you move towards the left hand side of a given number you get a smaller number or number with smaller value. जैसे हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की तरफ जर्नी करते हैं तो हमको नंबर्स विथ स्मॉलर वैल्यू मिलेगा. देखने को तो ये नंबर बड़े दिखते हैं, मतलब 5 के बाद 6, 6 के बाद 7, 7 के बाद 8, मतलब नेगेटिव. After -4 comes -5, after that -6, after that -7. They seem to be growing, but no, their values are smaller. तो जैसे हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की तरफ जर्नी करते हैं, numbers with smaller value come, and as you move towards the right hand side, as your journey goes towards the right hand side, the value of the numbers increases. Is that clear? Hope it's clear to you. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं, and let's directly move on to exercise 6.1. Question number 1, write opposites of the following. Here you have to write the opposites of the following, and the first one is increase in weight. What is the opposite of increase? Decrease. So you will write decrease in weight. You just have to write the opposite to it. Okay. Now second one is 30 kilometer north. We have to take opposite to north. Opposite to north is south. 30 kilometer south. Loss of 700 rupees. Rupees 700. Loss. What is the opposite of loss? Gain or profit. Profit of rupees 700. And here I have left out number 3. 80 meter east. What is opposite of east? It is west. 80 meter west. अब पांचवा लेते हैं, फिफ्थ वन, 100 मीटर above sea level. Above, opposite of above is below. 100 meter below sea level. This is how you have to answer question number 1. Move on to question 2. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate sign. So here you have to represent the number and with proper sign, that is you have to tag it either with positive sign or with negative sign, that is minus sign. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter. 2000 you have to write in figures. 2000 meter above the ground. Above the ground. So it is going to be plus 2000 meter. Plus sign you will put, and then you write 2000 in figures. Second one, a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea. Depth and below, that means negative sign. 800 meter minus 800. Next one, a deposit of rupees 200. आप डिपॉजिट कर रहे हो, जमा कर रहे हो, तो एक अच्छी बात है, पॉजिटिव साइन. सो यू विल पुट plus 200. And the last one, not the least, withdrawal of rupees 700. Withdrawal मतलब आप पैसे निकाल रहे हो, खर्च कर रहे हो, खर्च करने के लिए, तो आपके डिपॉजिट में से वो कम हो रहा है, तो So what are you going to tag this number? You will tag with minus sign, minus 700. Is that clear to you? Hope it's clear to you now. And we come